Okay, so let's review. So LLMs are really powerful, but they need guidance. So it prompting is the most important. The number one thing you can do is get better at prompting to get better output from your LLMs. Now, prompting includes making sure it knows what the task is, making sure it knows what the context is so that it can refine the output, and then providing resources. Now, the providing resources leads us to retrieval augmented generation, which is adding additional information into the prompt at prompt time. So retrieval augmented generation is programmatically or agent-wise adding additional resources into the prompt. That is those two things together are very, very powerful. You want to layer your techniques for best results. So you might be using the API and the SDK to improve the output. You might be prompting with your system prompts and your user prompts, and you're layering your techniques and you're combining your techniques to get the best results. Now, the other thing is AI is iterative. So your improvement is never going to stop. So you just have to keep working through things. But the different ways that you improve your prompting is really going to help out everything you do with artificial intelligence. So even if you're doing something like you're using prompting to write code, well, the better prompting you do when you're writing code, the better you are able to prompt to ask that model to write the code the way you want, the better off you're going to be. So one of the things you're always going to want to be focused on is always improving your prompting skills and making sure that as large language models change, you change your prompting techniques to match whatever you need to with these LLMs.